I'm showing you the secret that my grandmother taught me a long time ago, and it's how to make her oil. So first we're gonna start with gathering everything together. So we have onion, ginger, hibiscus flower, we have coconut oil, we have castor oil, we have all these right here. I'm gonna name them off real quick. It's black seeds, flax seeds, fenugreek, curry leaves, ginger, onion, and aloe vera. There's a whole bunch of ingredients in here. So first, we're just gonna gather everything together. That's gonna be our first step right here. So go ahead and follow me. We're gonna continue on right here. But first things first, okay? At least we're gonna get the gas turned on. So we got that going first. This is gonna be our very first step. Gather everything together. We got our bases. This is gonna go in first. So get the gas turned on. We're gonna get our coconut oil, okay? And then we're going to get our castor oil, but without the spoon. So follow along, and we're gonna continue on with the next part of it, and I'm gonna show you how all of these ingredients go in here, and the next step is to kind of infuse them in. So follow me and subscribe, and we'll see what happens next.